Hi everyone. So today let's explore how to create nested JSON structures. For this, we'll use a previously created table of type contract. The difference between contract objects and regular tables is that they have different sets of events and parameters. Otherwise, a contract is essentially a table that can also store data. Let's execute a query and see what we get. Now, instead of showing just raw numbers in the method _ID field, let's display the method name. I've already prepared a dictionary table that stores method names and their identifiers from Etherscan. Perfect. Now we have a regular SQL join. Nothing surprising for anyone familiar with SQL. But here's a little surprise. When it comes to building nested JSON objects, every development environment tends to reinvent the wheel. If you write backends in languages like Python, Node, or Go, you probably end up nesting function calls inside each other, or switching to complex SQL expressions. Writing nested SQL structures works extremely fast, but it requires solid knowledge of SQL. And not all SQL databases support JSON building natively. So what should you do then? Just use LedgyX. It will save you hours of backend coding. Watch this. We simply add an SQL query as a field value, and the JSON structure is ready. No pain, no extra code. But you may ask, how do we pass parameters for filtering? The same way as in any SQL-like language. We use the case operator. If a value is present, we compare it with a field. If not, then we return all records. And if your logic requires showing nothing in that case, just replace true with false. Now we can insert our query into an event and create an API endpoint. In this short video, I wanted to show how backend development can be made much simpler. Write in the comments what you'd like to learn about the LedgyX project. Thanks for watching and happy coding, everyone.